Hi, we are talking about 1.1 absolute value in integers today. We are jumping down to where we see the word integer. So an integer is a positive or negative whole number. The absolute value is the distance between the number and zero on a number line. Now, when we are writing absolute value, we have bars that we are using. So it is written as the value inside of our bars. So if I have, let's say, -3, okay, I'm taking the absolute value of -3, that is how it would look. For example, okay, example 1, finding the absolute value. Finding the absolute value of 2. So absolute value of 2, okay, is going to be drawn something like that. Okay, and we are looking at how far away, oops, let me get over to my 0, how far away we are from 0. Okay, so we are 1, 2 spaces away. Find the absolute value of -3. So -3 is going to look like that written out. And again, we need to find out how far we are away from 0. So I am 1, 2, 3 spaces away. It does not matter the direction that I'm moving on the number line. It just matters how far away you are from 0. Okay, at this point, we have reached our try on your own. So go ahead and pause the video and try 1 through 4 on your own very quickly. Okay, we are going to look at example 3. Now we are comparing two numbers. When comparing the two numbers, we are going to use symbols such as greater than, less than, or equal to. In this case, we are comparing 1 and -4. So I'm going to rewrite this. So I'm comparing 1 to the absolute value of -4. So if I'm taking the absolute value of -4, I now have the value of 4. So now I'm comparing 1 to 4. Well, in this case, the absolute value of -4, which is 4, is greater than 1. So to read this statement, 1 is less than 4. Okay, we have 4 more. Try on your own. So you're going to use the greater than, less than, or equal to sign to fill them in. I highly suggest you change the absolute value number first before writing your symbol. All right, we have our next question, example 4, real life application. So we are looking at the freezing point of different substances. So the freezing point is the temperature at which a liquid becomes a solid. Which substance in the table has the lowest freezing point? Well, we're looking for the number that is the farthest away from 0 would be the lowest freezing point. So which one of these numbers is going to identify that? The lowest freezing point, so the farthest away from 0 would be -53. So that means our answer is airplane fuel. Okay, the freezing point of mercury or butter, is the freezing point of mercury or butter closer to the freezing point of water, which is at 0 degrees? So which one is closer to 0? So we have mercury, which is at -39, and butter, which is at 35. So which of these is closer to 0? The answer to that would be 35, because it's only 35 spaces away from 0, whereas -39 is 39 spaces away from 0.